After soaking up our first night on board, we were keen to get out and explore Moreton Bay before some nasty weather was due later in the week. After rigging our head sail, which was shortened at the sailmakers, we headed off for our first sail as the owners.
That has to go around the stays though, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's correct.
So wouldn't you just run that rope around those stays and then back to the sail?
So we're just about to leave our first ever anchorage of Moreton Island. It's been great, beautiful, caught a few fish and some squid. South side of Peel Island for the day. Check out the north side and then we're going to go spend the night at, where is it, North Stratty? What's the place called? Mulgo? Something like that anyway.
Gonna pull the sails up for the first time. Pretty excited and nervous. Michael, what are we doing?
I don't know, I was hoping you'd tell me. Well, you watched enough YouTube videos, so tell me.
What are we putting up the heady?
The heady up.
Alright. We don't know how much wind we've got at the moment either because we don't have any instruments.
Not much.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay. Do you want to do the driving? Or?
Yeah, I'll do the driving. I'll watch you for the first time. So cool. Oh, that is nice. Still moving.
Looking back at this video, it's pretty crazy to see how much we've learnt without even realising it. Things like basic sailing skills, like putting up the main before the head sail, not needing to turn into the wind to let the head sail out, and a million other smaller things. It's really satisfying just to see how much we've already learned. With barely any wind, we were forced to turn on the engines to make our way to Peel.
Just made it to Peel Island. We had a few engine issues on the way. The port motor won't go into gear again, so we just limped around here with the one engine and we just pulled up here. Absolutely beautiful. Water's so much clearer. And this spotted eagle ray just swam under the boat. What happened?
Oh, you're lucky it was something obvious. The little barrel nut on the shift linkage. You can see it right here, it's just come undone, so all we're going to do is hopefully just wind that in and she'll be good. So that's in reverse. Chuck it into neutral. That should go up. Now forward. In beauty. Oh, that looks sick. Jess, come look at it from here. Come look at the boat from here, it looks so good.
Not bad, winter. So we just went for our first swim.
Follow her.
Follow her! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Michael had hooked a squid and he had another one following. I ran inside to grab my rod so I could catch the other one.
Oh! Got him! Yes. I jagged him. He's getting it all out. Oh! Ah! Did you just see that? And he's on again. Look at this.
He's camouflaging with the sand there, nice and clear. Look what happens when he comes right next to our black antifowl. Mimics the environment. Black antifowl turns black.
That is so cool.
And look, back to the sand, clears up. Good ghost. And bring it up close to the antifowl. Look at him. It's like a dimmer switch. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. We're like, we've never seen a black squid before. That's so cool. We never had black any fowl. There's a shark lurking there too. This place is amazing. Look at that. What an absolute cracker of a day. Stunning.
With a handful of squid, we had enough to make a meal.
What do you got in there?
Breadcrumbs, bit of spinach and basil, chopped up some cheese as well. Roasted cashews just to give it some crunch and a bit of chili. And then I just fried up in the pan some garlic, onion and the squid legs, just because I didn't want them to be raw on the inside. I don't know how long this is going to take. I'm going to stuff the squid tubes, coat them in olive oil, salt and pepper, and chuck them on the barbecue. And lemon zest. I put lemon zest in, that's important. What do you reckon, Michael?
Pretty bloody good for
what?
For swimming around in the water for an hour ago. Now, stuffed with its own self.
I just came up from getting that squid and noticed that it's a bit squishy here, and this has been leaking.
It's weird, it must have tracked here
Yeah.
or something. You might get away with just grinding that out.
Yeah.
And then just, you can epoxy fill it or
Yeah.
something, and then just get some more of its paint.
And seal that properly. A little bit of fishing, a little bit of boat work. Love putting holes in the boat, don't you?
You can see where the water's gotten underneath the timber there. Just lifted that up. So if you let that go long enough, that rot will just spread through like cancer through the boat. You can see the actual rotten timber. It's more on this side, so it's definitely tracked down through this, out this way. So you hear the drumminess, the dullness.
Holes growing a bit.
A little bit, but you can't be scared of these things, because if you just wish that it wasn't rotten and you don't pull it up, it'll come bite you later on.
For the last 6 weeks that we've been on the hard, we've had absolutely perfect weather, no wind, sunny days, just like the days that you think, oh, I just wish that we were on the water, you know, trying so hard to hurry up and get back in the water. Now, we saw it on the forecast, we were hoping that it was going to drop off, but we've now got like 50 knots forecast tomorrow. So we spoke to a local, he recommended we go to Galpa Creek. It's got really good protection, pretty intimidating for our first week on the water, but yeah, we'll give it a go and hopefully the anchor holds, and yeah. Join us next episode where we have high highs and low lows and learn quite a few things the hard way.
After a disaster of a day, we have finally had a win.
We pulled it up, it's full of mud crabs, there's like 4 muddies. We can't move it. There's one absolute giant in there. Look at the size of this thing. Oh, the f was that?
Call to me. Do we need to drop the anchor because we're drifting?
Yeah, go, quick.